Damn, dudes. We've actually gone right through and into the dash. Shit. That's gonna reduce its value a bit, but we're gonna glue it up like nothing has happened, I think, hopefully. God damn it. Like it's like a bullet. Pew! Okay, let's have a go again. Ooh. You don't even need to press, guys, just fucking goes. Really? This is good fun, but don't put it through the fucking dash like I did. Okay, now I'm gonna get some tools and then trying to take out this panel here first. It's okay that this happened. We can explain to whoever buys this dash that the driver's been shot. It's like and one of the bullets actually fucking went in there. It was Tupac, and now he's chilling in Mexico.
If you think about it, right?
Right.
Why you think nobody been arrested if they said they didn't want to kill Tupac?
Because they're snitching to the police, so they ain't gonna get
arrested. Not just to snitch and be smart, son. Because Tupac not
ain't
dead.
as smart as you should be.
Tupac not dead. If he was dead, they'd be arresting those dudes for murder. You know he's somewhere smoking a Cuban cigar on the island somewhere.
Right
you
now.
know what I mean?
Or Cuba. Well, he's all over the place. So now we need to extract.
Please subscribe so I can buy some tools and shit.
So for 3 hours I've been looking for what I needed, and I needed this. So pull them out. I showed you last time how to pull them out.
Please subscribe so I can buy some nice cameras and shit.
That's it. This panel is out, all in one piece. All good. We do the same with this one. We're getting covered here. God damn it. So yeah, do the same one. You can see that we drilled the hole in the wrong place because the bolt is actually here. So, and also we need a hole there, and also we need a hole here. So let's do this quickly. One hole just there. Just there, yep. And one hole here. I think I got some glass in my eye. Wear some protection, guys. Wear some protection. Oh.